2 of the bull skull. So we're gonna start rusting this. We're gonna use some of this fun stuff here to make this a little rusty, a little antique-y, I guess. And then we'll show you how to use this stuff, what I use, and then might do a little bit of a little intro on this. We're gonna start this the next video. We'll do some of this fun seasonal stuff. I asked my daughter to pick out some of her favorite leaves, and so yeah, we might take these and cut them out. Make some of these jack-o'-lanterns. Okay, let's get started. Rubber gloves. Put them on. First thing we're gonna use, mineral spirits. You wanna start with clean metal. The cleaner you get the metal, the faster it'll rust when you're doing your rusting stuff. So maybe take a little trip outside and do some rusting. It's just water. All right. So I just kind of spray the piece down with a little bit of water, dry it off a little bit. I don't want it soaking wet for the other parts we're about to put on there. We've wet it down. We wiped it off. We did the mineral spirits. It's clean. There should be no grease on it. Should be ready to go. So what I did, I already pre-mixed this 60-40, 70-30, 60, whatever. Some sort of mixture like that I put in here. I don't measure it out. I just dump a little bit in there. Lemon juice and distilled vinegar. Strong, good stuff. And then salt. I'll show you later, but we'll add a little bit of salt on there. So I just put it on this. It smells lovely, by the way. Vinegar. Whew, yeah. Strong stuff. So, spray it on, and then you wait. Salt. If you want to use salt, it kind of gives it that pitted look, and then it helps just rust a little bit better. If you're going to steal this from the wife in her cabinet, just use a little bit. It doesn't take very much. She probably won't even notice. All this stuff is, besides the cleaner, it's pretty much organic. So if you're going to spray it outside, lemon juice, vinegar, not bad for the environment. So good stuff to use. You can see when you spray with water, some of the rust starts coming off. It's gonna take a while for it to build in. It's just kind of surface rust. If you want that deep rust, you've got to keep doing the same method over and over. A little bit of water, a little bit of your vinegar mix, and then if you want, scratch pad, you can kind of work the salt, work the stuff into the metal a little bit. But as you do that, you're going to wipe off your rust, and then you just have to keep going, start over. We'll let it sit, and then just keep adding some more. We put water on it 3 or 4 times. It sat out for 4 or 5 hours, maybe 6 hours, and this is what you're getting. This is where I kind of highlight what I want to highlight, so I'll do a little more. Okay, it's been 48 hours since we started the bull skull rusting process outside. So you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. You can keep this piece rusty like this and you can ship it off and send it to somebody if you want. If you do, let them know that when they get this out of their package, they're gonna get rust everywhere. So some people like that. They want to just put it outside and just keep it rusting. Me, if I'm gonna send it to somebody, I'm gonna want to do like a light clear coating. But usually what I use, if I'm just sending to somebody, this is good stuff right here. So this stuff, you can put it on it. What it'll do is it'll kind of darken the rust, seal it, but it's not gonna seal it. So if you stuck it outside, it's never gonna rust again. If the person decides to take it, put it outside, it's gonna eventually rust some more. If you wanna make the rust completely stop, there's different things you can get. Rust treatment, right? Put this on it, it's supposed to stop rust immediately. And then you can go ahead and throw some clear coat on it afterwards. Me, not so much on this. I don't mind if it is gonna rust again. Most of the people, if they wanna put it outside, they want it to rust. So keep it here. There's different things you can use. Most of the stuff I use is gonna be a satin clear coat. And then I just kind of lightly dust it on there. We're gonna take it outside, take a little field trip again, throw some clear coat on it, look at it, make sure it's perfect, and then that piece is gonna be done. It's gonna be ready. All right, we're back outside with the bull skull, and we're ready to do some clear coating. Like I said, you can send it off like this, it would be fine. Some people like that, they can stick it outside and it'll rust more. Me, I'm gonna send it, I kinda wanna do a light coating on it. I like the krylon, ultra clear, and just gets it so it's not gonna be all over your fingers. When you send it to somebody, it's not gonna get all over them, but it just kinda seals it up. It's not gonna protect it for life. If you have it outside, it's still gonna rust. Let's paint. All right, I like this stuff. It dries to a really flat finish. It gives it a satin look, and then when you touch it, it feels like rust. Also, it feels like a rusty piece. I think it looks nice. Let me know what you think about the stuff I use. Let me know what you think about my process. Give me some feedback. I don't care if you want to tell me you're not very good at what you do. Maybe do something else. I'm okay with that. Let me know. I think it looks all right. Hopefully you think it looks all right. Anyways, give me some comments. Let me know if you like my stuff. Like it. Thumbs up.